It's your boy MC Blessed Mouth. You are watching Sewa ENT TV. We dey inside the market now. They ask question, what did they happen for this shutdown? So people go try to tell us how it they go, how it they happen. So we go enter inside the market, ask one or two questions, and may they tell us how it they go. Keep watching Sewa ENT TV. I would like make you tell us how this shutdown they use affect you when you dey market.
My brother, since when the shutdown start going on, I know say I'm easy. The thing is affecting me seriously. In the morning like this, my children go dey cry. Mommy, I want to eat. Mommy, I want to eat. I will look left, I will look round. I will not see food today. Look at me here. Look at my table, empty. Gary, we bought this bag of Gary. 30,000 naira because of what? No motor to carry and enter. Any motor where you don't take risk, carry the Gary enter. Go top in own price. Now we where they sell them, they go pay the price where them top on top. 30,000 now they buy one plate of Gary. Go come buy and finish. The poor people, somebody we cannot even afford 500 naira to buy Gary, we can't tell her one pint of Gary 1,500. The person no go pay buy. To say market is no take. We just did the suffer. People they die for hunger. Why government they do like this? Then they support this thing where this lockdown now. They support and people contribute money for this thing. They know how they go take share this money where it reach poor people where they suffer. People they suffer for this thing. You don't person inside, the people to go inside. We get into 1 month now without anything. Okay, now on Friday, then come our street, come they share one derico of rice. Can you just imagine somebody that you rock inside for getting to 1 month, carry one derico of rice, they give that person. The person they bake food.
It's not only food seller come and sell. What about people that have been shut down for the past 2 weeks? How are they coping? We will come and say nobody is coming to buy because they will complain that they don't have money. They have been shut down for the past 2 weeks. So they should do something about it. It's affecting us. We are coming out, but it's really affecting us. They say we should come out. People that are buying, we do not see them. They say they don't have money. They have been shut down for 2 weeks. People are suffering. They should come to our aid. We are suffering too much. Even to go and buy. To go and buy is problem. Today now we carry our load on our heads. Imagine somebody carrying vegetable. Heavy load, woman carrying on the head, walking, looking for bus, no bus. Please, oh, they should come to our aid, oh, please, oh, they should come to our aid.
It's affecting everybody. Suddenly, they still add more than extra 2 weeks more. You don't know what is happening in this country. Only God can help everybody in this country.
People are complaining about the prices of the markets that they are buying. That the thing that they are buying is ×2, some say it's ×3. Why is it like that?
It's because of transportation. Sometimes they will go to bush to buy the market, they come here, it's another problem. On their way, they be blocking the road. Police will be standing to collecting money. Army will stand on those collecting money from them. So how can expensive? The goods will be so expensive. Because to bring the market from that side to this place will be so expensive. That's how we are suffering. So please, let us call off this coronavirus of a thing. Let them cut it off. Masses are suffering, no money, no food.
The movement, how to go and buy markets, say, we don't see road to go and buy market. We don't even see to buy the market. Say when you buy the market or you buy the market costly. When you buy and come, to sell the market is not a problem. The market no move. And when you buy the market come, the transport alone, only the transport is too much for us. We not even see the gain of the market. So the thing they affect us.
We not see mist, our market we enter. Now we are feeling hungry, up and down. Okay, can you see yam 1,500? Yam whenever reach 800 naira before now 1,500 we buy them. How can I sell cotton, sell and see the money when I go to feed family? All these things just they pay us well because they are already they suffer us. Now other countries share food. We know they see food for our side. Nothing like food. They don't even remember us. We are begging, may they call this thing back, make everybody start the hustle as we the hustle ourselves than to suffer us. No food, no nothing.
Maybe through the BVN, they can be able to discover those who do not have at all. And from there, they can start to help the citizen. Maybe if they go to your account and discover a certain amount of money, like from 50 or 100,000, they can say, well, this one can take care of himself. But when they see a BVN and the person is having 500 in it or 1,000 in it, that means that person needs help. They can be able to, from such areas, give a particular amount to those who have very low account. That's how they can be able to reach the poor of the poorest in the masses. And then, when it comes to distributing food, they shouldn't do it in mass. We have been warned to maintain our distances. How can we maintain our distances when they are calling people to come and collect food and masses and crowd are there, tightening themselves together? That shows that they don't actually want them to maintain their distances. People can from there contact this COVID-19. And so that is why I don't encourage them to call people in the field to come and collect food. If they want to do that, let them do it house to house. And when they go there, they can be able to see those people who are affected. And whenever they've given a particular yard, they will know that they have been given. But if they call people out, they won't know who have taken and who have not taken. They can't even meet those who are really in need. So they should be able to find out those who are in need by going from house to house, just like NEPA Zoo take their bill to houses. Just like during the election, they try to take whatever they have to people in their houses. Let them do the same now that people are in need. So if they continue to lock down and people do not have what they need, it will lead to revolt. People will actually come out in great numbers to revolt against the government. If they don't need that, let them now try to help people in the areas, find the poorest of the poor, so that they can be able to alleviate their problems. Then they can be able to stay indoors. If also, the lock-up order is like we are making a mess of it.
To watch more videos, visit, follow and subscribe to Sewa ENT TV on every social media platform.